Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Jojo with
And Shruti, what's up, Joe?
What's up, what's up?
Yeah.
Zishan Ali.
Yes, what about him?
He's gonna bring Ghazals back. I just made a
Yes.
reel on him.
Oh.
And he was very sweet. He was very appreciative.
It was a lovely one. I saw it.
You saw it?
Yes, I saw.
Then we ended up collaborating on it, and
Haan.
he's very humble. He's like, I'm so glad that you think I'm contributing to the genre because it's such a beautiful space, and I'm happy I'm able to
Yeah.
pay my like tribute to it in the way
Able
that I
to
do.
underline that, huh?
I
Able
know.
to when he's like, he's
I
phenomenal.
was like, so more power to him and his
Yes.
journey. This is a song that's very highly requested. It's from this drama, Kabhi Main Kabhi Tum, जो बहुत hit हो रहा है. People have said you must watch it. I have not watched it.
Okay.
पर ये उसी का OST से है. I covered the Or song from this OST before, but now let's get to this because oh my God, I am just bombarded with requests. So it says music J Ali, composed J Ali and Nadeem Abbas, lyrics Tehzeeb Hafi, and vocals Zishan Ali. So ठीक है. It's called Sajna Da Dil Todya.
दिल तोड़ू सॉन्ग्स होते हैं ना, and then Zishan Ali's voice over that. टिशू विशु ध्यान से संभाल के पास में रख लो.
है.
Very good. ठीक है. Okay, I ready. Yes.
1, 2, 3, play.
ਜਦੋਂ ਮਨਾਉਂਦਾ ਸੀ ਮੈਂ ਰੁੱਸ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਸੀ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਚੁੰਮ ਕੇ ਗਲ ਨਾਲ ਲਾਂਦਾ ਸੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਮਨਾਉਂਦਾ ਸੀ ਮੈਂ ਰੁੱਸ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਸੀ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਚੁੰਮ ਕੇ ਗਲ ਨਾਲ ਲਾਂਦਾ ਸੀ ਹੋਈਆਂ ਖਤਾਵਾਂ ਤੇ ਯਾਰ ਮੈਂ ਗਵਾ ਲਿਆ ਜ਼ਿੰਦੜੀ ਨੂੰ ਖਬਰ ਇਹ ਰੋਗ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਲਾ ਲਿਆ ਭੁੱਲ ਹੋਈ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਸਜਣਾ ਦਾ ਦਿਲ ਤੋੜਿਆ ਭੁੱਲ ਹੋਈ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਸਜਣਾ ਦਾ ਦਿਲ ਤੋੜਿਆ हम जो जुदा है कभी साथ थे कभी दूर हुए फासले पड़ गए और हम तुम मशहूर हुए हम जो जुदा है कभी साथ थे कभी दूर हुए फासले पड़ गए और हम तुम मशहूर हुए छनकार तेरी लूं तेरे लम्स नु तरसे सासा विच मैं कार तेरी सुफना सी तू मेरा जग मैं तो खोलिया नैन मेरे आने तेरे हिस्से दा भी रो लिया भुल होई मेरे कोलों सजना दा दिल तोड़िया भुल होई मेरे कोलों सजना दा दिल तोड़िया चल गई बिरहों दी यारी तू ते कहंदी थकदी नहीं स मैं तेरी सारी दी सारी हो गईयां खतावां ते सोग रास आ गया नंगे पैरी फिरदी नु जोग रास आ गया भुल होई मेरे कोलों सजना दा दिल तोड़िया फुल होई मेरे कोलों सजना दा दिल तोड़िया
Okay. Oh,
तो
see.
इसका जो बेस म्यूजिक है ना, the moment it began, sorry, I like I keep, हाँ, इसका जो बेस म्यूजिक है which began, in the moment it started, it was ta-na-na-na-na, like it was just the first two notes. I was like, सांसों की माला, like, you know, it almost sounded like that. Like even in the end when just the song play, just the beginning, something reminded me of it. So I was
Yeah.
like a little distracted because of that. ये थोड़ा ऐसे शो वाले शोज होते हैं ना,
Yeah.
गाने होते हैं, शो वाले शोज होते हैं, शो वाले गाने होते हैं, तो इनके लिरिक्स जो होते हैं ना, because they're so tailor made for a certain
Specific to that.
situation,
Yeah.
I find there is so much distance between the artist and me as a
Yeah.
listener at that point. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे ना दूर छोड़ दिया है artist से. So and I'm constantly like, I can hear his voice, I want to be closer to the voice, but बीच में जैसे वो show का element आ जाता है. Like मुझे, it's a very strange thing to feel, but yeah. So his voice just carried it through. Even simple हरकत्स that he adds in, like, you know, एक line खत्म हो रही है, and the way he would just add that हरकत, he's very skilled.
Yeah,
like, you know, he plays with the lyrics. I'm
Yeah.
sure अगर यही lyrics, यही music किसी और artist को बुला के अगर उन्होंने same गाना गवाया होता, it would not sound the way it's sounding right now,
Yeah.
because that's Zishan Ali. Like it's
Yeah.
just, it's him.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
I agree. I feel like in this song, it didn't hit me. And I put that down to the arrangement of the music. And I put that down to just a disconnect from the show and what is actually going on in the lyrics. That said, I feel like the lyrics were really nice. They were just very emotional, and he his vocal delivery of them was very purely done. So the emotion came across of the writing. But I felt like this was not the right music arrangement for this song, because पहली बार जब मुझे वो chorus आया, I was like, are my headphones like off or are they on? Because I'm hearing the
subdued है ना?
guitar. I'm hearing the guitars and the drums more than I'm hearing his voice. His voice felt like it was the second or third layer in this
So
mix.
that's what I meant when I meant कि वो show वाले जो गाने होते हैं,
Yeah.
because they are background music की तरह, they use them very often as underlays within the, you know, within the show as well.
But
The
I would have
serial
thought the
movies.
audio version of that would have brought his voice to the top layer.
Ideally.
You know? So I mean, so then I couldn't
That's
really
the distance. You know, I was like, I was feeling away from the artist. ये वही है. Like, you know, I was like, दूर
It felt
चली
like
गई.
Zishan Ali कहीं दूर गा रहे हैं 500 meters दूर,
और हम
और
भाग
यहाँ
के
पे
उनको सुनने की
situation
कोशिश
चल रही
कर रहे हैं.
हाँ. And I just felt like the mix master or the overall arrangement or overall sonic vibe of it was not the right way to go for his voice. I feel like if they had done a different kind of music arrangement with just his vocal layer still being exactly the same, because he's conveying the emotions perfectly, then I feel like it could have maybe hit me more, or maybe it just didn't hit me because I don't know the show and I don't know what's being talked about in the lyrics.
Mostly that, yeah.
Hai na? So I heard it till the end, and the parts that hit me the most were the chorus, because the melody there was beautiful, and the way he sang those four lines. So melodically, that was my favorite section. But otherwise, I feel like there was a bit of a disconnect. From, and I by the time the song ended, I was like, what is it? And I was like, this is not the right arrangement for this artist. I'm not saying
used to listening the different format. You know, we're used to listening purely audio. And वो होता है, वो वीडियो फॉर्मेट्स में इतनी वो होती है ना कि शो का जो वाइब है वो उसको रैंडमली अकूस्टिक नहीं बना सकते, to, you know, just showcase the artist. There are so many other things that must have come from the channel कि ऐसा चाहिए. So
like इस song का अगर कोई सिर्फ vocals remove करके layer, you get those apps now where you can remove this. So if someone just removes the vocals and just puts a little minimal arrangement under it,
reverb version, basically she's requesting for, go for it. Somebody make it and upload.
Just do it. Producers out there, whoever wants, just do it. I feel like that would hit me a lot more. But beautifully sung by Zishan Ali for sure. And ठीक है, let us know if you all agree, disagree, whatever it is. We are just being honest. Honesty is our policy.
Yes.
Chalo, take care of yourselves. See you in the next one. Live long and prosper.
सजना दा दिल तोड़िया फुल होई मेरे कोलों